Hey people. Yes. Hey people. So we are at Barbecue Nation, and this is quite a spread. This is 991 for vegetarian. Well, Ayush, this needs to be had with chutney. The paneer and all. Take that bowl near you, sweetheart. These chutneys are really good. Okay. Okay, this is good. Ayush, how is the paneer? Oh, wow. Show me that one piece. You take the mushroom, my friend. Give me the... Yeah, thank you. Dip it in the sauce. Okay, dip it in the sauce and you take the bite. Ayush, dip it in the sauce. I've dipped it. Tell me how it tastes. Yeah, show me. Yeah, pretty good. Ooh, look at this variety. Yeah, non-veg, na? This is?
Fish.
Oh, chicken, fish?
Chili garlic prawns.
Oh, prawns.
Chicken.
Awesome. This is vegetarian. Awesome, yeah.
Yes, chicken.
Awesome. This is so much of chicken.
Spicy.
Yeah, correct.
Disconnect.
Correct. Yes, yes. ये है non-veg. Hey, careful, Raja. Yeah.